Hey, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a direct with no pixel tracking link. This is the easiest link to create and the most simple in forms of working. Here's how the direct with no pixel tracking link works. If you have a long URL like this, you can paste it in Pixaly and create a short URL which will redirect to this URL. There is no tracking involved. There is no overlays or banners or anything like that. Let me show you an example. Here is an example of direct with no tracking link. If I paste the link, it does its job. It redirects to the article which we gave as target. Alright, so now let's jump onto my dashboard and show you how to set it up. So I'm in my dashboard now. The first step you have to do is click on Add New. You have to give a name to the URL. I'm going to go ahead and give direct with no pixel tracking example 2. Target URL, this is where you should give the URL where you want to send people. In our case, it's the URL to Financial Samurai's article. So I will copy that article, come back and paste it. Third step is selecting the transition type. Currently, Pixaly allows 3 types of transitions: direct, no tracking, direct with pixel tracking, and overlay with pixel tracking. In this example, we are going to go for direct, no tracking. Once that is selected, you're all done. You don't have to click on feed, title, description or anything because that is not needed for direct, no tracking. When you click on submit, your short link is made and will be visible on the dashboard. Now to copy the link, you can click on this copy link button. Let's copy that and try pasting it on our browser. Let's see what comes up. As expected, the link redirected to Financial Samurai's website. There is no tracking or pixeling, anything. It's just simple forwarding. Let's also try to put that link on Facebook and see how the link looks like. The link will fetch the original image and title from the original URL. So that is how direct with no pixel tracking works.